Last week I flew to Honolulu and testified before the legislature, the finance committee. And I went down there because HECO was trying to pass a bill that only helped Hawaiian Electric. It did not help the fire victims at all. And for that reason, I thought I should go down there, and we opposed the bill. Many of you submitted letters opposing the bill. And what I wanted to make clear to Hawaiian Electric and to the legislators is if they enacted laws that actually helped you, we would be in favor of that. But those laws that they enacted literally did not help you at all, okay? I want you to know, though, your local representative, Ellie Cochran, she was very much in favor of helping us, and she was right on it, okay? So was Mahina Poipoi from Molokai. They were also very, very supportive of the fire victims. And so was Representative Gene Ward. Unfortunately, that's only 3 of about 15 people who sits on that committee. So know that there are people in there fighting for you, but there's a whole bunch that we're fighting against, okay? And what I found when I got there is that when I was testifying before the Finance Committee, one of them asked me about the fire, and I started to explain to them what happened. And I started to explain to them that the fire started here, between pole 25 and 24. And I also explained to them what was going on with pole 7A over there. And the thing that I noticed is they really did not know anything about the fire. That they did not understand how the fire started. They did not understand how the fire progressed. And that really concerned me because these guys are passing laws affecting the fire victims, but they don't know what exactly happened in a fire. So I launched into a full explanation. I want you guys to be able to tell this story. This is where the lines went down and started a fire. But if you go back a step, I want you to see pole 7A. 7A is the culprit that started. This is pole 7A. It's across the street. It toppled over early in the morning, crashed to the ground. When it crashed to the ground, it pulled on the lines between pole 25 and 24. 7A is over here. And that's what snapped the lines between pole 25 and 24. The lines laid dormant for several hours until Hawaiian Electric re-energized the lines while it was sitting in the dry grass. And that's the big problem in the whole case. I also want you to see, this is a picture of the inside of pole 7A. It's totally termite damaged. And these kinds of facts we've been talking about for months and months, and I was shocked that many of the legislators had no idea about this information. So I want you guys to know that we actually have more facts, more evidence, and more information than most of the government involved, okay? And that's because we've had our investigative team on the ground the whole time.